Anchors Away 90-second RV park reviews. Here's your host, Brent.
Okay, so a quick review of the Chisos Basin Campground. So it appears that it's built on the side of a hill, so they're terraced. They all have little shade structures. Of course, you can only come in here if your RV is under 26 feet and your travel trailer is less than 20 feet. Each site basically has the lockbox and then nothing else. There are a generator zone and a no generator zone. So basically sites 1 to 18, and then from 19 onwards you're in a no generator zone. And there's a few hikes that you can do from the area, and of course the visitor centre's got Wi-Fi if you need it. The campsites obviously have the barbecue grills and the picnic tables. The camp has flush toilets and potable water available. Now, Chisos Basin has a lodge as well as a visitor centre, store, all sorts of things. So you've got a ready supply of water from water fountains and things like that. So you can come up here, buy whatever you need from the store and go and do your hikes.
Thanks for watching Anchors Away RV park reviews. See you next time.